Call center director speaking. We got GELO Tweaker, the official video. I heard they got Zoe and Mello in there. Let's get it. There we go. There we go.
GELO, what do you feel like you're going to bring to the game?
And this bitch start off crazy. Off the old Hummer too. Hey, it's fire. It's fire. Hey, it's fire. They got it's fire. Let me actually fucking fix my headphones.
What does it feel like having your name called on such a big day?
I might swerve in that corner, whoa, bitch, hold on tight, cause I tweaking this bitch, I letting shit go. And I heard that she wanna show.
Got the baddies in there.
Whoa, me who she be, I'm kinda fucking with it, show me some more. Bitch, we tap.
Everything they pulled out was like a 02, 03. Them niggas got like a 02 Hummer, nigga.
Head to toe, could give a fuck the story wrote. You wanna tweak it over me and
my nigga got the
bitch, we tatted head to toe, could give a
my nigga got the Jalen Hurts jewelry on too. Stop playing with this nigga, man.
Fuck the story wrote. You wanna tweak it over me and I'ma show you how they go. Like the money in my pocket blow. They having combos about me, these pussy niggas don't know. Tell me what they talking about. I ain't fucking listening. Let your thoughts run your mouth, but ain't touching dividends, nigga. I ain't from the south, but kick it.
They added extra to it. You can hear, if you listen, you can hear his ad-libs turn up.
Let your thoughts run your mouth, but ain't touching dividends, nigga.
You can hear that shit.
South, but kick it with my Memphis twin, nigga. I can't take a loss. I'm always going for the win. I've been geeked up in this booth. I got my blunt pack for the starter, nigga. Don't be acting. Know that.
Yeah, no, they turned the ad-libs way up.
I'm like, all the hoes is cool. Let them in if that shit water. See a nigga acting bother. Got my green light to red dollar. If you spot me, ho, I'm sorry. I can't take you ain't getting all that. Look like your nigga want smoke. Well, we gon' do this shit regardless. And I started from the bottom just like you, but I was hard out.
This shit hard. This shit hard.
Soldier nigga, shout out to my father. Shout out my.
I'm actually surprised they got Mello in here. Like, if anything, I'm surprised they got Mello in here for sure. And Mello shit's bustin' too. Bitch, hold on tight, cause I'm tweaking this bitch, I letting shit go.
And I heard that she wanna show me who she be, I'm kinda fucking with.
Them niggas got Yes Jules in the video.
Show me some more, bitch, we tatted head to toe. Give a fuck the story wrote. You wanna tweak it up with me and I'ma show you how I go. Like the money in my pockets blow. They having combos about me, these pussy niggas don't know. With my evil twin.
Like just visually, this bitch is tough. Like I already fought with the song, but visually this bitch is crazy.
All black hoodies, we hit the streets again. He don't like attention, he'll tweak and get the reaping shit. What your ass expect, we drove the whole way in a demon, bitch. He'll pop out, won't think twice and make you Greek to switch. Is you sure you wanna meet that bitch? If I see ill intentions, we'll make sure you get the bleeding quick. All these out there with the whole damn game being some rocket shit. Pull up to the scene, my best advice is to hide your bitch. I can see the lies all on your faces, cause your eyes are twitched. The black ski mask all on our fucking faces, be disguising shit. I'ma have my way with your baby, you wanna crash shit.
This reminds me of that one video where Alonzo was rapping about the shoes in the car. This kind of remind me of that.
Press my Glock against her fucking waist, I got some pottery. She my bitch, not my apology. I might sorry, no more enemies. You rap with me, then rap with me. But I'ma keep it real, she lost respect when you said follow. I might swerve in that corner, whoa.
Bitch, hold on tight, let me see that.
Respect when you said follow. I might swerve in that corner, whoa. Bitch, hold on tight, cause I tweaking this bitch, I letting shit go. And I heard that she wanna show me who she be, I'm kinda fucking with it, show me some more. Bitch, we tatted head to toe, and give a fuck the story wrote. You wanna tweak it up with me, and I'ma show you how that go. Like the money in my pocket, whoa. They having combos.
So, what's next?
Can you play?
This is the one I want to hear. I ain't gonna lie, this one.
Please, shake your ass for me.
That's the one I want to hear. No faking.
Shake your ass for me.
No, it's a rap. Let this nigga take up. That's a rap. It's chops. It's chops. I ain't gonna lie. One more time.
So, what's next?
Can you play? I said, baby, can you please shake your ass for me?
That shit's gonna be fire. That's gonna be fire. That's gonna be fire. 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10.